There is no single, universally accepted theory of consciousness. Several prominent theories provide intriguing frameworks for understanding this enigma. The integrated information theory, for example, proposes that consciousness arises from the complex interplay of information within a system. The more interconnected and integrated the information, the higher the level of consciousness. Another compelling theory, the global workspace theory, suggests that consciousness acts like a theater stage. Information from various unconscious processes competes for a spotlight of attention. The information that wins this competition enters our conscious awareness, becoming available for higher-level processing and decision-making.
Section 4. The technological lens, reflecting our shared reality. As technology continues its relentless advance, it offers new tools for exploring the nature of consciousness and its potential for interconnectedness. Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs for example, are allowing paralyzed patients to control prosthetic limbs with their thoughts, blurring the lines between mind and machine. Neurofeedback, another rapidly developing field, uses real-time displays of brain activity to train individuals to regulate their own brainwaves. This technology holds promise for treating a wide range of conditions, from anxiety and depression to ADHD and chronic pain. As these technologies mature, they may provide new insights into the neural correlates of consciousness and the potential for shared experiences across individuals. Imagine a future where we can directly share thoughts, emotions, and sensations with others, creating a world of unprecedented empathy and understanding. However, this technological leap also raises ethical concerns about privacy, autonomy, and the potential for manipulation.
The implications of a unified global consciousness are profound. Imagine the social and environmental impacts of truly understanding and feeling the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. It could drive collective action to address global challenges like climate change, inequality, and conflict.
And from a philosophical perspective, a unified global consciousness could redefine our concepts of self and other. It might lead to a deeper sense of unity and shared purpose, transcending individual differences and fostering a more harmonious global society.
But we must also consider the potential risks. How do we ensure that this interconnectedness respects individual autonomy and privacy? How do we prevent it from being exploited for control or manipulation?
Indeed, these ethical questions are crucial as we move forward. Balancing the benefits and risks will be key to harnessing the full potential of a unified global consciousness.